Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to Tecktoniq. Today, in this presentation, I will be talking about the roles and responsibilities of a data analyst and how they help businesses make data driven decisions. This presentation focuses on the roles and responsibilities of a data analyst in today's data driven world. Data analyst plays a crucial role in helping organization making informed decisions by collecting, organizing and analyzing data. So, who is data analyst? Data analyst is a professional who collects, clean and analyzes and interprets data. The main goal is to help organizations make better decisions based on data insights. They collect, clean and analyze data to answer questions like what happened, why did it happen and what can we do to improve. Now, let's see the rules of a data analyst. There are several rules of a data analyst. We will discuss the main rules. The first one is analyze data. It identifies patterns and trends to understand business performance. The second one is create reports. It present data clearly using charts, graphs and dashboards. Use tools and queries. Work with software like Excel, SQL and Python to manage data. Supports decision making. Provide insights to help teams manage informed better decisions. Now, let's see the responsibilities of a data analyst. They collect and clean data, gather data from different sources, and fix errors to make it usable. Analyze and interpret data. Study the data to find useful insights and patterns. Create dashboards and reports. Present findings in an easy to understand format for teams. Work with business teams, share results, and help departments make data based decisions. To do this job well, a data analyst should have skills in statistics, programming, data visualization, and strong communication to explain the results clearly. In conclusion, data analyst plays a key role in turning data into decisions. Their work brings clarity, improve business strategies, and support smart planning. Thank you for watching. I hope this presentation helped you understand what a data analyst does and why this role is so important today. Thank you.